Hey you guys, CalmCoolSavage aka the Bit God back at it with another helpful Twitch video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send bits on Twitch. I get this asked a lot in comments on my channel, so I figured I'd make a quick video for you guys. I'm going to get straight to the point of this video, but before we get into the video, hit up that like button and hit up the sub button. It really helps out the channel. Thanks again, you guys. So somehow, by some chance, you clicked on this video and you want to know how to send bits on Twitch. Well, this is what you're going to want to do. Head over to twitch.tv. Go to one of your favorite streamers, and to send bits on Twitch, all you're going to have to do is go down to the right-hand corner. Where you see the diamond icon, this is the bit icon. Go ahead and click on this. And to send a bit, if you already have bits, all you have to do is click one of the emotes down here. Once you click on an emote, it will give you a choice. Will you want to send 1 bit, 100 bit, 1,000, 5,000, or 10,000? All you have to do is click on the emote. Right here, it'll say cheer 1. This is 1 bit being cheered. You can choose to type a message with the cheer, or you can just spam it a bunch of times to cheer more than 1 bit. A lot of big streamers will have a channel requirement, so you can't spam 1 bit. This streamer has set their minimum bit requirement to 25, so I can't donate unless I donate 25 bits. When you're ready to send the bits, just click on chat, and it will go ahead and send the bits to the streamer. And there you have it. That's how to send bits on Twitch. Just a quick and easy video for you guys. I hope this helped you out. If it did, leave a comment down below. Let's have a conversation down there. If you guys have any questions about Twitch bits or anything Twitch related, let me know. If you want me to do a video, I'll make a video for you guys. I like to do a lot of stream support videos on this channel, and I hope you guys enjoy these stream support videos. If you do, make sure to hit up that like button and hit up the subscribe button. Also, come check me out over at twitch.tv/CalmCoolSavage. I'm just a gamer, so I'm not doing anything too crazy over there, but if you guys want to come over and hang out, feel free. I would love to chat with you guys. Thanks again for watching the video, but until next time, keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage.